This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and in this video I'll show how you can swap a battery on this drone. So it is as simple as making sure that the device is powered off, of course. From my experience, it's safe enough to operate the battery even once the drone is switched on, but for your safety, make sure that there is no live electricity inside of it. Now, take the drone, unfold the legs, starting from the front ones. So let me quickly show how it's done. So here, just unfold the front leg first and then the second one. And do that, or the rear one, and then simply repeat those actions on the opposite side. Now, look at the rear part of your drone, right below the charging port in the SD card slot. Here you have two buttons, one button on each side, so press them in like that, and then just slide the battery out of the drone, just like that. Now take the replacement battery, make sure that it is properly aligned, so inside the drone's compartment there are contact points, so align them with the contact points you have on your battery. That's the guide that you can use to make sure that the battery is inserted correctly. Put it in and then click it in place, just like so. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.